Hey, what's up, Resurrection Motorsports family? I'm glad to see you guys are back here. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Love having you here. In today's episode, we're doing more work on the 1992 Foxbody Coyote swap project. We're knocking out the floor pans. Actually, Rodney's knocking out the floor pans. I'm still learning how to weld, so I'm not touching it. Not my car, not my welds, so I'm not going there. While I got you guys, I wanted to share a Bible verse that I feel kind of sums up this whole project right now, and it's 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17, and it says, "Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here." I feel like we're getting ready to turn the corner on this project to where we can start getting to the new. We got new floor pans, some new metal in the car, and we're getting on it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope we share something with you that can help you with your project, and we'll catch you on the flip side. So once you get this seat bracket, the stud mounting point lined up and prepped for welding, I don't know if you can see this, but the bolt that came with it, you're going to use that to hold it in place, and then you can weld and don't have to worry about this panel moving. Get it tacked in and finish it up. So we're going to do that now. Now that the floor pans are in and everything's looking beautiful, we are moving on to this rough spot right here in this this part of the fender. You can see where the rust sat down in there, and it just looks terrible. So the plan is cut this section out, weld in new. See if I can get this over here. Once that's in, cut this out to the correct shape. Use some of the leftover floor pan, fill it in, and then there's a spot in here you can't see. It's kind of down in this hole. We're gonna attempt to patch that. So we're gonna cut it out and get to it. Alright, so there you have it. You saw we removed this panel here to expose the rust that was down in there. This is the original piece that was in here. You can see it was all ate up and nasty and not in really good shape. Not the best shape to actually reuse. So Rodney went ahead and got some 18 gauge flat steel and fabricated a new piece, welded it in place. It's primered. Now that the primer is dry, we're going to go ahead and seam seal all these welds, and anywhere that there's not an actual piece of metal like in here, that's going to be sealed up. There's nothing to weld to here, so this is going to be sealed up. Anyway, this whole thing will be covered in seam sealer and it'll never leak again. No more water in the cab for this side. And we're ready to move on to the other side. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you learned something. I hope you got to see a different aspect of something so that if you're doing a project like this, you know which way to go. And on that note, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notifications when we come out with new projects like this or new updates on this project. And as always, don't forget to eat, pray, wrench. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.